In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create a free ChatGPT account. Now, I know that many of you are brand new to using ChatGPT and may be wondering how easy or how difficult it is to get going. I know that there are a lot of people who feel like artificial intelligence is a little bit techie, maybe a little bit above their knowledge grade, but I wanted to show you just how easy it is. So I am in an incognito window because I use ChatGPT all the time and it won't give me the same experience if it knows that it's me. So I wanted to just show you kind of from the start. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to chat.openai.com to get yourself a free account. Okay, so let me just move this out of the way. All right, so this is the screen. Let me move myself out of the way as well. This is the screen that you're going to come to after the chat.openai.com. And you'll see that you can actually use ChatGPT on this screen without even logging in. But you can literally just do the basics with this screen. If you want to access any of the more advanced features, you will have to create yourself a login. So let me just show you. So here is where you would type your message to chat, and I'm going to say, good morning. I'm always polite. Could you please help me with what I should wear today? I'm just giving you a very easy, quick example as it is raining, but it is due to clear up and become sunny later. Okay, so just to give you an example, and there we go. So you can pop in here, you can use it, but you can't use any of the advanced features. So I am going to suggest that you sign up for an account here. And you have the choices here. You can sign up with your email address, or you can sign up with Google or one of your other platforms. So I would continue with Google. And it would take you through the process. Now, I'm not going to create myself another account because I already have one. So let's just get out of this incognito window, and I will go here to chat.openai.com. It's going to tell me welcome back. So I want to log into my account, and I'm actually going to log into my free account so that you can see exactly what your account will look like as you log in for the first time. All right, so here is the ChatGPT user interface. These blocks here are called message starters, so they probably won't have any bearing on what you want to do with ChatGPT, but they are here just to show you the kinds of things that you can do. So as we did on the first screen, this is where your chat comes up. So let's start again. Good morning. Could you please help me with toy ideas for a 9-year-old boy? Just we're getting started. Okay, so chat is going to tell us a few things, and I'm going to take you through these things in a little while. So we're just going to continue. And here we go. Chat has given us some suggestions: STEM kits, Lego sets, board games. Okay, so now I'm going to tell chat, this little boy loves to fish and play outside. He does not like to be inside if he can help it. And because we've given chat a little bit more information, he's going to give us some ideas more suited to a 9-year-old child. Okay, so you can see that is as easy as using ChatGPT. And let's move on to our settings and the more advanced features. Okay, so on the side here is where your chat will show up. So it says toy ideas for boys. Now, if you click on these three little dots, you can share this conversation with somebody. It will open in a ChatGPT account. So, well, it will open and then it will ask them to move into a ChatGPT account. You can rename it, which we're going to do. You can archive it to save it, but archiving it will take it off this left-hand panel, or you can delete it. So let's just rename it, and we're going to rename it Gift Ideas for Benji. Okay, just so that you know, naming conventions are going to be important because unfortunately chat does not have a very good storage system or filing system. Everything just ends up on the left-hand side here. Okay, so that is the first thing. Now, if you want to move into a new chat, you can just just click on this button and then you can start again. And so we'll say, hello chat, can you give me some meal ideas with the following ingredients: chicken, tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, and peppers. I do have pantry staples too. Okay, so you can see chat will come up with some meal ideas for me, and it just says here, new chat until it's finished. It will give it a name at the end of the, as it's finished. Oh, we've got some quite nice dinner ideas here. Let's see. Okay, and there we go, chicken recipe ideas. And again, you can change it, you can move it, you can do whatever you'd like with it. Okay, so let's just put this into the archive. You can see it's disappeared from here. And now let's go over to our settings area here. So you can see at the moment that this ChatGPT is running on what they call just plain ChatGPT. So it's great for everyday tasks. If you want any more of the advanced features, you have to upgrade. This temporary chat here, you saw it saying earlier that chat now has a memory available. If you don't want chat update in the memory, perhaps you're working in a client account or in a separate account, you can turn on the temporary chat. It will bring you through to another chat, and you can see this chat won't appear in history, use or create memories, or be used to train our models. For safety purposes, we may keep a copy for up to 30 days. So at the end of using ChatGPT in a temporary chat, your chat goes away completely. So if you're using a temporary chat, don't forget to copy and paste it, copy and paste it. Anything that you want to keep in your temporary chat, you need to copy and paste it across to a Google Doc or another folder. Okay, so let's just go out of there. So all we need to do is just turn off the temporary chat here, and we will go back to our normal chats. Okay, so let's look into our settings over here. So let me move myself over here. So you can see my GPTs. Now, if we look over here, you can explore GPTs. GPTs are custom assistants that people have built. You can go into the explore the GPTs, and you can see we've got somebody a GPT that will teach you how to code, a writing assistant GPT, etc. As a free user, you can't, unfortunately, you can't create GPTs. But, so if we go to my GPT here, you see the create is grayed out. You can't. You have to upgrade, but you can use the GPTs as a free user. Okay, now to customize your GPT, you can add in custom instructions. So what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? The other one is how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So if you want to, in here, you can add some information about you, what you do, who you help, etc., so that chat knows a bit more about you. In here, you could tell it that you want it to be to respond simply, that you want it to be conversational, or you want it to be professional. So there's a lot of information that you can put in as to how you would like ChatGPT to respond to you. So those are your customizing of ChatGPT. If we go into our settings here, we've got a couple of different settings. Now, what I wanted to show you is this one here. So our archived chats, can manage them, and you can see here is our chicken recipe idea in the archives. Now, you can either delete this conversation directly from here, or you can go into it again. So you can unarchive it, and if we've unarchived it, and here it is back in our chats. Okay, so we archived it here. If we go into our settings, we go into our manage, we find it here, so we can click into it and we can read what it was, and then we can also unarchive it from here. Okay, so that is that setting. Here under your personalization, you can see you can turn memories on and off. Okay, so memory is off now. Here, memory is on. And if you want to manage your memories, can you see here? It updated my memory. So I was looking for toy ideas for a boy. I can delete that memory or I can keep it. And if I keep these memories, they work across all the chats. So all the new threads, it's going to remember this. You can clear ChatGPT's memory completely. And if you don't want it to remember you across the different chats, you can turn it off. I don't think I'm going to go through the other settings here just now. Those are a bit more advanced, but you can look through them whenever you are ready. So then you can upgrade your plan, okay, and upgrade, you'll get the different GPT models and a few more advanced features. Okay, so that is how you are going to start with ChatGPT. It's a very simple process. I would highly recommend get yourself a free account, get started, and just start playing around. The more you play around, the more you learn what ChatGPT can do and can't do, the quicker you will be able to use chat for your content creation, to help you write your emails, your landing page copy, your social media adverts, pretty much everything that you are going to need to do in your business.